Hey, fellow coders! Are you looking to level up your programming and logic skills? Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, honing your skills is crucial for success in the ever-evolving world of technology. Today, we're diving into some effective tips and tricks to help you become a better programmer and sharpen your logical thinking.
What's up, coding enthusiasts? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, and I'm super excited to share some actionable advice to help you enhance your programming and logic skills. Let's jump right in.
Tip 1. Practice problem solving.
Programming is all about problem solving. Challenge yourself with coding puzzles, algorithms, and logic problems. Websites like LeetCode, HackerRank, and Project Euler offer a plethora of coding challenges to keep your brain sharp.
Tip 2. Break down complex problems.
When faced with a complex problem, break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. This approach, known as divide and conquer, allows you to tackle each component individually, making the problem-solving process less daunting.
Tip 3. Learn data structures and algorithms.
Mastering data structures and algorithms is essential for writing efficient and scalable code. Take the time to understand common data structures like arrays, linked lists, stacks, queues, trees, and graphs, as well as algorithms like sorting and searching.
Tip 4. Collaborate and learn from others.
Don't code in isolation. Collaborate with other developers, participate in coding communities, and seek mentorship opportunities. Learning from others' experiences and feedback can provide valuable insights and help you grow as a programmer.
Tip 5. Build real-world projects.
Put your skills to the test by working on real-world projects. Whether it's a web application, mobile app, or open-source contribution, practical experience is key to solidifying your programming skills and understanding how code translates into tangible solutions.
Remember, improving your programming and logic skills is a journey that requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. Embrace challenges, stay curious, and never stop pushing your boundaries.
That's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found these tips helpful in your quest to improve your programming and logic skills. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, stay tuned for more coding tips and tricks, and hit the bell icon to never miss an update. Keep coding, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, hit the bell icon, and share for more coding tips and tricks. Also, subscribe to Coder Squad. Happy coding!